Oh, class. Hi, everybody. This is an update for our classes for the week of April 27th all the way to May 1st. First, I hope that you're doing well. I hope everybody's staying healthy at your house and that you're all getting through this okay. You may have heard the news that we are actually assigning graded work from now to the end of school. So what that means is whatever grade you had when we closed, right? In my classes, that's, I think, March 17th is what they're saying. Whatever grade you had at that moment, your grade will never go lower than that. You can maintain that or you can improve that. So for the next like 6 to 8 weeks, we're going to be pushing out some new work. That work is required for you to earn a grade. People who cannot do the work, I know you have limitations, access, whatever. And then there's people who are in like summer break mode or whatever. Those people are going to earn an incomplete. So this work is important, and if you don't finish it by the time that the school year is over, then you'll earn an incomplete with a chance to make up that stuff. And there's different scenarios for incompletes. Okay, freshman honors. For the last 6 weeks, you've been working on Lit Circle celebrations, and it's great to see people really communicating, even like having problems over group text. That's awesome. It shows signs that you're working on those kinds of skills that we needed to do that assignment. Now, I put those as a due date of Monday the 27th, and most people have reached out for an extensions. I'm going to be super generous because, you know, the original plan was that we were going to start taking work last week. So I am not in a hurry to get these. If you need a little bit more time to make the magic happen, that's fine. That being said, the month of May is basically getting our 20 time all wrapped up. I asked you to complete 2 blog entries over the break, and those are going to be ungraded. Okay, that's optional. That's during that time period when life was happening. But May is all about the TED Talk. So this week's assignment, look for it in Canvas. It's called a TED Talk analysis. You're going to view some actual TED Talks and you're going to break them down and kind of see what makes them tick, borrow all the good ideas you can. The following week, you'll be developing an outline for your TED Talk, your presentation of your journey through 20 time, and that presentation itself is going to take 2 weeks. Look for a due date of Tuesday the 26th. We have Memorial Day on the 25th on Monday, and so we want to honor that. So like I said, the month of May is basically TED Talks. Now with this new schedule, we're looking at 2.5 hours per week on English. I've designed the rest of the year so that you can easily finish this stuff within a 2.5 hour a week time limit, and it's not an X amount each day you need to do. So really just each week, as long as you're able to work at your pace and make this happen and communicate if you need more time, of course. I will be available right now, Zoom office hours. So I'll send out invitations for a recurring appointment every Monday and Tuesday from 10 to 11 in the morning are just open Zoom. I'd like to share some smiles and frowns, just check in, connect with you guys. Could be even playing some games. I hear some fun things you can do there, but as well as answering any live questions that you have. The office hours, you're not required to Zoom at all. That's just a feature that we scheduled out so that none of the teachers are really going to be, stepping on each other's toes. Okay, so that's the game plan for this week. I look for fresh information getting pushed out on Canvas. I can also do paper at lunch handouts for people who need it, or we can find a way to get work to you. And just remember, those Zoom office hours is going to be every Monday and Tuesday at a specific time. Not on Memorial Day. That's a Monday that we want to honor. And a word about those Zoom conferences, you don't really have to be there the whole time. It's just a way to check in and see how you're doing. There's no live actual teaching unless there's any questions or anything like that. So, and this should be true for all your classes. So I hope you're doing well. Look forward to seeing you this week, and go Bombers.